Tired of tasks getting lost in the shuffle? Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you the simplest way to assign tasks in Basecamp, keeping your team organized and on track. Let's dive right in. First, navigate to the project where you want to assign the task. Then click on the to-do list you'd like to add the task to, or create a new one. To create a new task, click on the Add a To-Do button. Now, type in the task description. After you've typed the task, look for the Assignee field. Click on this field. A drop-down menu will appear, listing all the members of your project. Simply select the person you want to assign the task to by clicking on their name. You'll see their name and profile picture appear next to the task. Before saving, make sure the Notify option is selected to automatically send them a notification about their new assignment. This is important so that the person assigned knows they have a task. Once you're happy, click Add this to do. And that's it. The task is now officially assigned. Assigning tasks in Basecamp is that easy. This simple step ensures everyone knows their responsibilities, leading to a more productive and collaborative work environment. Now go at those tasks assigned and watch your team thrive. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Basecamp tips and tricks.